everyone, it's Caroline with CHICMOTO here. I wanted to show you guys a new product that we just received. It is a backup camera from a company called FenSens. And what it is the camera is in the license plate holder and it connects via Bluetooth to your phone, so you can put your phone in your car and see where you're going in reverse and or parking if your car doesn't naturally have a backup system. Like my Jeep definitely doesn't have a backup system. So this is super handy to have. It's really easy to install. And since I'm recording this off my phone, I'll actually take some screenshots of what it does look like so you guys can see what it looks like off my phone. So let's get to it. All right. So like I said, super easy to install. It's just simply a license plate cover. And all you do is, of course, take your license plate off. And it does come with a couple screws if you want to use those, if your car is set up to be able to use those. But if not, you can use the screws that your license plate comes with. And you install it just like you would with your license plate, only this time the camera is of course covering it. So this is the camera and then this is your backup sensor. So once that is, I'll put it on because it's a little bit difficult to do this right now. So all I'm gonna do is just screw in some screws and then I'll show you guys what it looks like in a second.